continues to spread. Experts now telling Americans to avoid the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Janice is in the newsroom to explain why. Janice.
Well, Eden, this all comes as health experts are sounding the alarm, telling Americans to prepare for difficult times ahead as they prepare for a winter surge, with Omicron soon to become the dominant variant in the U.S. Ahead of the holidays, new COVID-19 concerns fueled by the Delta and Omicron variants. The Omicron variant now spiking across at least 39 states and Washington, D.C. Cases doubling every 2 to 3 days. The Cleveland Clinic saying today it expects to see the highest number of positive test samples in a single day since the start of the pandemic. Ohio's governor calling in the National Guard to help overwhelmed hospital staff. In Wisconsin, just 4% of ICU beds are free.
We are seeing truly higher volumes of patients in the emergency department than we have ever seen, and this is getting really scary.
In Michigan, more than 500 patients are being admitted to the hospital every day.
Where we are right now feels a lot like the first surge back in March of 2020.
In New York and New Jersey, long lines of people trying to get tested before the holidays. And today, the CDC giving the green light for schools to practice a test-to-stay policy, allowing unvaccinated kids and staff exposed to the virus to take a COVID test instead of going into quarantine. The CDC still saying vaccines are the first line of defense in schools.
We now have experience vaccinating over 20 million children under the age of 17, and over 5 million of whom are under the age of 11.
For younger children, Pfizer giving an update on its vaccine research, saying it will start evaluating booster shots for kids between the ages of 6 months and 5 years old, 2 months after their second dose. Dr. Anthony Fauci predicting vaccines for this group could become available early next year. The CDC also now projecting a grim statistic, COVID deaths potentially soaring to 15,000 per week by January 8th.